An unexpected closure, I think this is.
Hi guys, this is Wedgwood with Carlo Guys, Spike Ridge, and me, Aston
There we go. Now, the time is 10:46 on Saturday the 11th of July 2015, and this is for our 2048 one golf cabin, 3 cross-country surf from Manchester to Billy.
Nah, this ain't unexpected. You just did the Brayford.
One month cross-country surf from Manchester to Billy.
Nice, Barry.
At least this one's clean.
This is the bus time. And this is what I do sometimes.
Okay, Spike units left down the correct, so we've got doubles and their signals already on amber. Double amber.
Yeah, I'll look the way I'm looking. That's what me and Luke do when we're down Wedgwood.
We might get one
Matt's first time down here as well. Oh shit, I'm on one bar.
I found that way.
Okay, I may not be able to film anymore.
Just depends what bridge you like.
I'm on one bar. This might be my last filming.
Okay, you might have to use your phone then. We're
I'll put my sister's video.
Green, we've got this one first, Spike. We've got this one first. Here she is! Here she is! We've got that way first. You got it the wrong way round.
I have a 2.
220, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Yep, we're staying.
Yeah, we have to stay here a bit longer. Let's walk across, guys. So we are still following Hollow 5. Okay. Yeah, you're fine.
I don't know why we're still staying. We're still on a red signal.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's 14 minutes. Right. Oh, there we go. It's gone green. It must be in a signal. It's fine.
Yeah.
One thing I have to tell you, at Lee level crossing, which is an HB, we got to go in the signal box. There was an old.
Where's Lee? Oh, hang on, Lee Lane.
Yeah, there was an old signal box there. We
Alright.
managed to go in it, and
I like Lee
we
level
managed
crossing.
to control an old four-way signal right, with a foot sensor.
There's a signal. I think I remember being a signal box at Lee there.
Yeah, it's a very good signal box, let's say.
Then I had to phone them when I had no coverage house in the night.
Oh, sorry for that, guys. The camera was a bit
That one zoom
wavy.
okay. It's being camera. It's very camera-y.
I might have to film my phone for the rest of the closures.
Yeah. Oh my lord, we're already going double amber.
Oh God!
We've got
So
double
we had
amber.
one train.
Don't tell me you've got 3 trains.
We don't have cross country, I don't think.
Yeah, we got cross country, and then the next one might be a London Midland that might make us triple stay.
Yeah, it's probably
This line is possible for a triple stay. Not very often, but it is possible.
Yeah,
It's definitely possible on the East Coast Main Line.
yeah.
That
I'll
old
probably go down here, but I won't not.
Green.
Camera.
Oh, we haven't.
Cheers, cross country.
Country.
Yeah, cross country.
Here she is. What's it going for, Carlo? What is it?
I think it's a Birmingham New Street. Yeah, Birmingham New Street. Oh, cross country voyage service from Manchester to Birmingham New Street.
I can get one more start like that. I'll see you at the next video.
Okay,
One more
thanks
video
for
before
what.
my battery dies. I can get one more video before my camera dies.
Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.